Hello everybody and welcome to this video. So we will try to provide a solution for the second project that we mentioned in the second lesson, right? So what we have, so we need to make a string variable and assign it hello world. This is a text 8. Then we need just to remove the underscores from that text and make a list that contains 8 the words of the text. Then make a new string that contains the text without underscores and white spaces instead of the semicolon, right? Remove the 8 from the list and display the final text and list. So guys, this is really easy, okay? If you just use what we have seen in the second lesson, normally you should be able to tackle this project and give a proper solution for it, okay? But this is not a problem. We'll try to make a solution for it just right now. Okay, let's try to make a string at the first time. So this is the text, right? And now we should remove the underscores. So as I said earlier, we can remove it like that. We just need to replace the underscores by nothing. Okay, this is how we can remove the underscores from the text, right? And we need to make a list. Okay, so we will just name it h, and h will be equal to text dot split, and we need to split this text by the semicolon. Okay, so now we have the text and we have the list. So let's just try to display the results, right? Okay, so this is the text. There is no underscore anymore, and this is this is the list, and these are the words of the text. Okay, so now we need to make a new string that contains the text without white spaces. Okay, so we will just name it text2, and as we did before, we'll just replace, okay, but this time we will replace the semicolons by space. Okay, and we need to remove 8 from the list. So h dot remove 8. Okay, and we will print again the results, right? So now we will have error. Yes, why? Because it say x does not exist in the list, and this is true because 8 does not exist, or maybe this 8 has not the same data type of the 8 that we have in the text, because this is a string and this is an int. So now if we make a string, it will work. Why I did this, guys? I did it just to tell you, if you put something here that does not exist in the list, your program will just crash. Okay, so how can we tackle this? We can, for example, make an x, and then if x in 8, then we will remove the x. Okay, so now we will not enter and perform this instruction just in the case that x is in h. Okay, so this is how we can make conditions in lists. Okay, if you just want to say if x is not, you can just say not in. Okay, so now we will not remove the 8, but the program will not crash, right? So if we put here 8, it will work without any problem, right? So we removed the 8 from the list. So this is all for this video, guys. So see you the next time. So if you have any questions, any suggestions that you want from me to put in the next videos, just tell me in the comments below, and just give us a like and hit the subscribe button. This will be very encouraging. Okay, so see you next time, and bye bye.